Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are staying safe out there. So I went to Walmart, I bought some stitch glue, I went to Joann's Fabric, and I got some elastic. That's very hard to find. I went everywhere looking for it. But I had some material at home that I could use to make some masks. And I realized I don't even have an iron. So I used my flat iron to create this look. And it was fast, it was easy. I made some for my kids, and it worked out great. So I'm about to show you guys how I created my mask with the flat iron. I laid out my fabric. I had an image in my head on the square mask, that we're wearing now. They do have masks that go over your nose now, but I haven't made it that far. So I'm about to show you how I made my mask. Now the mask I'm making now is going to be more smaller and snug. I used that one for my kids. And I also have the other mask that I just attached on the sides for the straps to go over the earlobes. So it's two different masks I made. I find the one that I fed through was a lot better, snugged up for the kids, than the one over the ear that I made for myself and an adult. So I'm about to show you. So I cut my fabric, I took my stitch glue, I put the glue at the bottom, a nice line, not too thick. Took the folded it over and took the flat irons and I flat ironed it. You're gonna have to go over it a couple times, and it's gonna be hot, so watch your fingers. But pass it through about 3 times, and that should be good enough. Now I'm going at the bottom and doing the same thing to close it so it looks nice and neat. And remember, we're doing the same thing as we did for the top piece. And when you have that all nice and smoothed out, it should blend in nice and perfect. It really does blend in nice. I mean, you're gonna love it. And this is some other fabric that I'm just passing the flat irons through to clean it from the glue. I found that to be too thick. I tried to make that fabric there out of a mask, and it was a failure. Didn't work, it was too thick. The glue couldn't settle in it properly. So now I'm folding it over, and I went a ½ inch from the top so I could have room, a little pocket there to put the tissue in for protection. You guys, you need the paper in there. You need to change it every day so you get the full effect of protection out there. So, and with the flat iron, you can crease it. It's just like an iron. So, like I said, on the sides, I'm sealing the sides because I'm about to start closing the mask in. And like I say, you go across it a couple times and seal it. Now this one I'm not gonna feed through. You can pre-make your mask so that you can slide a bobby pin through it so it can slide through. I chose to just put it inside and glue the fabric over it so it'll already be in there, so I wouldn't have to go through the safety pin method and pull it through with elastic. I found this to be quick and easy. So we're gonna close this side over the elastic, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So this is the mask that I made, which is an adult size with the ear loops on the side. I didn't feed these through, I just attached them, and that's the pocket for the napkin. So, and yes, and this is the kid size one. So I'm going to be cutting the straps off on the sides. You know, pull it up and cut them. You're going to be pulling it and snugging it so that you're able to slide the elastic through it. So once you snip them on where you want them, and remember, the more elastic you leave out, the more longer the length of it, you know, it won't be as snug as much, the tighter it is. So this is a little bit tighter because my daughter is going to use it. I mean, you don't want it to be too tight because you want to be able to breathe still too. So after you get it all pulled through, there you have it. Nice and snugged. That's where the paper goes at. And it's ready for my daughter to wear. That's my daughter. And she loves her mask. And she wanted to try on mine too. You guys like, share, and subscribe, and have fun, and please be safe out there. There are more videos to come. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.